Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more reviews and tips. All the links mentioned in this overview are available in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience using the product. On Rome Tips today, we're diving deep into F-Secure Freedome VPN, examining its performance and features. For your convenience, I've included links to the product in the description below, so you can explore it further. F-Secure Freedome VPN presents a simple, user-friendly VPN solution perfect for those seeking online privacy, enhanced security, and easy access to geo-blocked content. It's a particularly good fit for individuals who value fast, dependable connections without a complex setup. The VPN boasts a clean, intuitive interface, catering to both novice and experienced users. A key strength of Freedome VPN lies in its robust privacy focus. It employs AES 256-bit encryption, the industry gold standard, ensuring your data remains protected during online browsing. Crucially, it adheres to a strict no-logs policy, meaning F-Secure doesn't monitor or retain records of your online activities. This is paramount for anyone wanting to preserve their online anonymity. Furthermore, Freedome VPN incorporates a distinct tracker blocking feature, effectively neutralizing online tracking and unwanted advertisements, thereby elevating your browsing experience. This functionality makes Freedome an excellent choice for users wishing to avoid targeted ads and bolster their overall online privacy. The app provides access to numerous server locations globally, empowering you to circumvent geographical restrictions on streaming platforms like Netflix, Hulu, and others. Freedome VPN is compatible with a broad spectrum of devices, encompassing Windows, macOS, iOS, and Android, and permits up to 5 simultaneous connections under a single subscription. Its user-friendliness, coupled with consistently reliable speeds, makes it an attractive option for anyone needing a VPN for daily use or securing their public Wi-Fi connections. In conclusion, F-Secure Freedome VPN delivers a compelling combination of robust security, essential privacy features, and effortless usability. This makes it a solid choice for those requiring a straightforward yet highly effective VPN solution. Whether you're aiming for private browsing or accessing content from anywhere in the world, Freedome VPN provides a dependable and secure online experience.